Hello, good evening students. Hope you all are fine. Yesterday we did topic insectivorous plants with example of pitcher plant. Today we will do the topic grasses. It is on page number 31. Okay, so let's start the topic. Topic is grass. It is on your page number 31 of your book, science book. Okay. So what are the grasses or what is grass? Grass is a type of vegetation which need very less water to grow. Okay, what is grass? Actually, grasses are the plants, small plants which need very less water to grow. They do not much water as needed by the herbs and the trees and the bigger plants. Okay, they need very less water. This is the first adaptation or special feature of the grasses. Vegetation means anything which relates with plants. There we use word vegetation. Okay, second adaptation of grass is grass grow in wide open area. Okay, grass do not require a particular area to grow. They can grow anywhere in ground and they do not need much care to grow. Okay, so this is the second adaptation of grasses. Third one is in unfavorable conditions. In unfavorable means very less water. Very less water or no water. If there is no water on land, we can say that unfavorable condition for plants. So in unfavorable conditions, what happen? Grass dries up. Okay, only the upper portion of grass dry up, but the stem and leaves part remain alive. But the stem and leaf parts, but the stem and leaves remain alive in the soil. It means, what does it mean? It means whether if there are unfavorable condition to grow grasses, there is very less or there is no water on land, then at that time what grasses do, their upper portion, their upper part, the part which which is in contact with that part dry up. Okay, but the remaining part, the stem part and the root part, stem part and the root part, it remain alive and roots remain alive in the soil. They do not die. Okay, and whenever there is rain, as soon as rain the grass again grow. Okay, as soon as rain, the grass again grow from that parts which are under the soil, okay, during unfavorable conditions. So third and the most important last adaptation of grasses, actually all plants are tip grower. They show growth from the tip, from the very uppermost part they show growth, but the grasses, they show growth from the base. Last part is grasses show growth from the base, okay, so that when animals graze on them, so that when animals grow on them, graze on them. Graze mean when animals feed on them directly from the soil. Grasses show growth from the base, so that when animals graze on them, if animal graze on grass, it doesn't mean grass die up, okay, because they show growth from the base. So after grazing, when animals graze grass, what happen? Grass again grow. The grass grow quickly. Okay, so these are some adaptation of grasses. So what are grass, or what is a grass? Grass is that type of vegetation, that type of plants which require very less water, and they grow in wide open area. Actually, they do not need any particular area to grow. They do not need care to grow. This is the second adaptation. Third one is in unfavorable condition. Unfavorable condition means if there is very less water or no water. In that condition, what happen? The upper portion of grass dries up, but the stem and root do not die. They alive in the soil. They remain in the soil, okay. And as soon as rain, in favorable condition, as rain, what happen? The grass again grow. From where? From that parts which are under the soil during unfavorable conditions, okay. Last one, which is very important, grasses show growth from the base. Remember that all plants show growth from the tip. Tip is that part, the uppermost part of the plant or any plant, that is called tip, okay. Like this is your this is my marker, okay. This portion is called tip at the uppermost part, and the lower part is called base. So grasses show growth from the base. So whenever any animal graze on them, what happen? The grass do not die, it grow quickly, okay. So these are the some adaptation of grasses, okay. So after this I will show some pictures of grasses, and next lecture we will discuss about the rainforest. So thanks to all of you.